Hello, welcome to Someka's Meal Plan Google Sheets template. To use this template, please be sure you're online and sign in with your Google account. Then you have to make a copy of this file. First, go to File and click on Make a Copy. Special designed for restaurant and coffee businesses, this tool will help you to plan your menu meals and also create shopping lists. This tool mainly consists of 5 sections: the dashboard, ingredient list, meal ingredients, meal planner, and lastly, the grocery list. On the dashboard, you will see navigation buttons and also some settings. You can add new units or category. Let's start with a new category. For example, dessert. Now let's go to ingredient list. This is the first section of the file. This data will be used on the other sections of the template. You may easily update your list according to your own needs. Let's add one. After preparing your ingredients list, you can now go to Meals Ingredients. In this section, you will input the ingredients for the meal recipes that you're planning to cook. This is a simple list that you will add your new meals. For example, let's add chocolate mousse here with ingredients and volume and units. The drop-down menus will help you here. Now, after your meal list is okay, now we can go to the other section. Next section is your weekly planner with the days of the week. Each day has 2 parts, the meal list and the ingredients list. When you fill in the meal list, the ingredients list will be automatically created. For example, on Wednesday, now we have salads and main course, and these are the ingredients for these 2 meals. Let's add our chocolate mousse here. Now our ingredients list is updated accordingly. Now it's time to go to our grocery list. Here on the left side, you will see an ingredient list consolidated and also a grocery list. This is the consolidated list of all the ingredients for the meals planned for that week. You can adjust the quantities here. For example, instead of 4.2 kg of sugar, you can just buy 5 kilograms. Or if you don't want to buy some specific, for example, eggs, just write 0. Now your grocery list adjusted accordingly. You can take a print and use the checkboxes here to complete your shopping. That's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at someka.net.